Hey everyone, so it's Angela with Earrings by Angela, and I just wanted to stop by and show you what a leverback earring finding looks like. Okay, so they call it lever back because it has this little latch here that you just move, and so this is where you would put your earring on, and then boom, you just close it like that. Pretty cool. So you don't have to worry about, earring backings getting lost or um anything like that, or the earring falling off. And then this is where you would add your dangles with like a jump ring or something like that. So the possibilities are endless, but I really do love the lever back earrings. I'm just going to play with this for a little bit. So if you're wondering where to get this from, there is a link in the description box. And you guys, I'd love to see your creations. You can share them on my Facebook, my Earrings by Angela Facebook page, um, or tag me in on my Instagram, which I'll put that link in the description as well. If you have not downloaded your ultimate tool list, then you definitely want to do that. Here is my copy, but yours will be in color if you want. But you can print it right from your computer and then just click on the videos to see like, hey, I wonder what that tool looks like. And I'll have some, but not all of the tools, but this will definitely be on there. Say hi, Mr. Leverback earring. Fade to black, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating.